First of all, I compliment the students who have taken a decision to join the programs for this ESDP programs conducted by COVE. And many congratulations to COVE also for entering in an MOU, becoming a partner institution to take up this movement of skill development among the unemployed youth. Prime Minister's Office and Government of India with a great ambition to impart the skills in 160 skills. Entire nation, they have come out with a mission, National Skill Development Mission. As part of that, NIMSME is doing these programs with various partner institutions, and COVE is the 32nd partner institution for us. So far we have 31 and COVE is 32. This year they have signed with us. Last year they have conducted 8 programs, it went on very well, and this year we are very hopeful that these programs also would do well, 5 programs. So my suggestion to the participants, you have taken a good decision to take the skills. You have joined for this program. So take this program very seriously, be punctual to the program and be regular, and try to learn many things from this program, the technical skills and other personal development skills. And at the end of the program, try to do something what the knowledge you acquire from these programs, like joining a good job or starting something on your own with the help of the officials present here and with the help of COVE, because they have a lot of networking and they have many entrepreneurs with them and a lot of officials and many organizations, and they have now overseas tie-up also. So you try to make use of all these support services available to you through these training programs. I hope at least from 5 programs, 150 participants, there should be some 20 to 30 success stories we are expecting, because we are answerable to the ministry to show some success. Already for the budding entrepreneurs, you have display and showcase of the practicing entrepreneurs. So that should definitely motivate you. And you are here, so you are also going to hear from the many eminent speakers. So draw inspiration and try to motivate yourself and try to get the encouragement which is available for you from this institution and from Government of India and from NIMSME also. So try to develop yourself and contribute for the economic development of the nation. And I thank all the organizers for providing me this opportunity. And I wish you all the success to the participants. Thank you.